Hi guys, I'm Alex Monet. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. This is my first time back in a very, very long periodical time. Just want y'all to know right now, I'm probably not going to be showing everything I use in this video, mainly because when I do my makeup, I'm like all over the place. Admittedly, I'm all over the place in general, but very much so with makeup. I don't have a method to the madness. The madness just comes out bomb. So I'll do my best to show things as I use them. And also I'll leave everything down below in the description box so that way you guys know what I'm using. So yeah, let's just get on with the program. Okay, that's pretty much it. Very basic on the eyes. But I'm going to do my liner. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. And then I'm going to actually show you the glitter that I'm going to use that I'm going to put on. And then, you know, we'll move on and everything like that. So just stay tuned. Okay, so I've done one eye off camera. Forgive me if I look a little crazy, but to help with the glitter fallout, you know, I needed to put a little powder underneath my eyes. But this is the look that we've come up with. So I say we, like it's multiple people. This is what I came up with and I like it. I think it looks very cute and playful. So I'm going to show you what I did, what I used. So I actually have a glitter from Glam Goth Beauty. This is in the color Beetlejuice. Like she has, sorry my nails look super crusty, but I'm trying to catch all of the reflex. I don't know if you can see them all, but at any rate, this color is called Beetlejuice. It's like, I think like 3 or 4 different glitters. There's definitely purple, there's definitely a green, but I really just wanted to play up on the glittery and gothy aspect of this glitter and like my top, because my top is giving me like super, not gothy vibes, but like, I don't know, it's just, can you guys see it? It's really cute. Anyway, this is the glitter. This is kind of what it looks like in the I just feel like this ain't picking up, but anyway. So I'm just gonna use a brush like this and just, oh sugar. Before I dip into that, I'm gonna dip into this and I'm gonna put that glue on my lash line. So I'm gonna move up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Again, just stamping it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to get it as close to your lash line as you can. You want to kind of line it up as best as you possibly can with the liner. So I'm going to take the same brush and go in with my glitter. Now this is going to be relatively easy It can get a little messy though. That's why we put the powder underneath. I'll start on this end just so you can really see like what it looks like. Okay, I'm pretty pleased with the glitter. So I have these like butterfly things that I purchased from the Amazon, and they're holographic. So I am gonna add those to my face. Yeah. And I'm actually gonna use the same glitter glue, but I am gonna attach them with, or use these kind of tweezers to lay them on. So okay, be very careful when you do this because, girl, you could poke an eye out and we don't want to do that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna be right back, and I'm probably gonna come back when my face is fully on. So I'll just do like the last finishing touches, like lips, maybe some mascara. So yeah, be right back. So I'm back, and for you it may have seemed like a minute, but for me it was a minute. So I put my foundation on. I'm actually using two shades. I'm using, well, two shades, two brands. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in Benin, and I'm using, or Benin, I'm not sure how you say, I think it's Benin. But I'm also using the Maybelline Fit Me in 360. One is a little too red, the other is a little too dark for me right now. So this is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and this is a little bit darker. This is like my perfect summer color, the 360. But you know, it's been a while since I've been in some sun. So let me turn this light down because it's, I'm sure, giving me like major, you know. I think I'm gonna go with these because I just don't feel like cutting the other lashes. So you know, the one thing that, this looks really good. Oh my god, it's cute. She cute. I know that's not on, child. That's too good to be true. But anyway, I'm actually going to put the other one on off camera because this ain't really like, it's giving, but I probably should have gone with something a little bit lighter. Well, not lighter, but just like a little less fluffy. But anyway, I'm gonna be right back, and where's my little, I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna have both lashes on, and then we're gonna wrap up this video. Okay, lashes are on. They're on well enough. They're probably not perfect, and depending on if I actually upload this video, it's really going to be based on how bad they look. Because like I can. Anyway, so now we're moving on to lips. And I think I'm gonna go in either with Kinda Sexy by MAC, or I want to go in with Spirit by NYX. It's a matte lipstick. So here's Kinda Sexy. It's like a pinky nude color, and that's brown on top because that's my lip liner, but that's the color. Or this is Spirit by NYX, and it's more of a like just nude color. In general, it's just very nude. I actually might mix them both, but so we don't look like Tyrone Biggums, we're going to line our lips, and I tend to go with a darker shade of brown, and I've got a few dark shades that I really like. This Kiss lip liner in chocolate is literally like one of my favorite lip liners. As you can see, like I uses it, okay? I think I'm gonna go in with chocolate because that's what I'm used to, and we'll go in with Spirit. If it looks too ashy, even with lip liner, I'm definitely gonna throw a gloss on top. Maybe something like what is this? Brunch? Oh, Head Turner by Makeup Revolution. So let's just line our lips first. Should I put some gloss on? I think I'm good. This is like one of my favorite lip colors. It's literally 99 cents. It's called Thalia. The color is Thalia, and this is the NYX Lip Smackin' Fun colors. It looks like this. This is probably like my second tube of this. Now this is more pinkish brownish, so I'm gonna put a little bit. And y'all, I think we're done. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If this video gets posted, that means that I liked how it looked, and yeah, I had fun doing it. Even if it doesn't get posted, maybe I'll try to recreate it and do it a little bit better, but I'll have everything listed below or in the video. I'm gonna try to do one or the other. I don't know if I could do both because, honey, I really would like to get this video up at least within a week. I'm gonna try to edit it over the weekend. It's currently Friday, April 16th. So I'm gonna try to edit it over the weekend and get it posted for you guys. But again, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try to have more content. I can't make any promises, but I'm gonna try to do the best that I can. If you guys want to see more content like this from me, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. That's the only way I'm gonna know if you like it. Also, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. I want to do more this year as far as posting on here and on my IG. Just want to bring more creative content. I do have some other ideas that I plan on executing very soon. So, you know, subscribe, stick around. You know, I'm a fun girl. You know, I got lots of personality. So if you want to see more of me doing what I do, whatever that is, yeah, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and until next time, guys, bye.